Who would like to read this question for us? Okay, Jada, go ahead.
Jacob read the expression shown. What do these parentheses indicate in the expression?
Okay, so forget looking at the answer choices. Just look at that expression. Are they asking us to solve the expression? No. Okay, they're just asking us, what do these parentheses mean? So again, when I have PEMDAS, what's first?
Parentheses.
Okay, so that tells me is Israel. That tells me that I need to do that first, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so which one of those answer choices has 72 minus 6 in it?
Subtraction.
So J, right? Because it's saying subtract 6 from 72, and then you would multiply it times the 4. Are there any questions on that one? Okay, so let's go over here. So we're going to go ahead and do order of operations for both of these. So I want you to take a second, and I want you on your paper, write down this first expression. I'm going to give you about 20 seconds. And I think I'm going to rewrite it over here. So everyone should be writing this down on your piece of paper. 5 seconds. All right. So one thing I always tell my 5th graders, when you are working with order of operations, write out the acronym PEMDAS. Okay. And also put an arrow underneath the multiplication division. So you remind yourself, I go left to right, and then addition and subtraction, I go left to right. Okay. All right. So what am I going to do here first?
Subtract.
Why?
Because it has the parentheses.
Okay, that's my point here. So P is always first. Okay, so it does not matter what operation it is. Okay, if it's in the parentheses, you always do that first. So everybody, what is 19 minus 5?
14.
Okay, so now I'm done with all of this. I want to rewrite anything I have not used. Okay, so I did not use the times 3 or the plus 4. So now I can cross off the P because I don't have any more parentheses to deal with. Okay. Do I have exponents?
No.
No. Okay. Do I have multiplication or division?
Yes.
Do I have both?
No.
So I don't have division, but I do have multiplication. So this 14 times 3 has to come next. Okay. So, what's 12 times 3?
36.
36. So add another 3 and we get
39.
39. Add another 3 and we get
42.
42. So that is 14 times 3. Okay? So that's 42. So now I can cross off my multiplication. Okay? Rewrite what you did not use. In this case, is just the plus 4. Okay? So it's only one more operation. So what's 42 plus 4? 46. So this is equal to 46. Everybody with me? Any questions on that one? All right, let me erase that. So I have room, and then we'll do the next one. You should not erase your work. I'm only erasing so I have room. All right, so now we're going to this one. Okay, so that might be hard to see. That's a 13. Okay, so write down 13 times 6 plus 2 in parentheses minus 12 times 2. You have 20 seconds to write that down. All right, so again, write PEMDAS. What always comes first?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. So in this case, what operation is in the parentheses?
6 plus 2.
Addition. Okay, so again, it does not matter what operation. If it's in the parentheses, it comes first. Okay, so what is 6 plus 2?
8.
8. Now I have to rewrite what I did not use. So I did not use the 13 or the multiplication symbol. I did not use subtraction, 12, multiplication, or 2. Okay. Do I have exponents?
No.
No. Do I have multiplication or division?
Yes.
Do I have both?
No.
No.
Okay, so I do multiplication. Now, I have two multiplication problems here. I have 13 times 8 and I have 12 times 2. Does it matter which one I do first?
No.
No.
No. But I have to do both of those before I do the subtraction. Okay? So, what's 12 times 8?
24.
What? 12 times 8?
96.
96. But we want 13 times 8, so add an 8.
104.
104, very good. So this is 104. Now what's 12 times 2?
24.
24. So what have I not used yet?
Subtraction.
Subtraction symbol, very good. Okay, so what's 104 minus 24?
Miss, going to the restroom. I'm going to turn on my camera.
I don't want you to interrupt my class to tell me that. Okay, guys, what is 104 minus 24? Nobody can tell me? That's a little disturbing. Guys? Uh-oh. It looks like we lost them on campus. Stephanie, what's 104 minus 24?
120.
No. Try it again.
We were having Wi-Fi problems.
I figured.
But the answer is 80.
Okay, I need you guys just hold on. Okay, let's let everybody get back in and just hold on a second. If you're in, please turn your camera on. Okay, please mute yourself and just hold on a second. We're waiting for everybody to come in and then we'll continue. Okay, so we were working on this problem. Okay, so what is 104 minus 24, everybody?
80.
80, very good. Okay, so this answer is 80. Are there any questions on that one?
No.
No? Okay. All right, so what we're going to do in just a minute, I am going to invite you to the whiteboard, and I want you to use PEMDAS. So I will even write this up here for you. Okay. So I want you, as you do this, to cross off as you do your steps. Okay. And then afterwards, we'll talk about it. Does anybody have questions on what they need to do?
No.
Okay, so remember when we're doing a whiteboard, you have your teams in one tab and the whiteboard in another, because I'll stop sharing, okay, once I invite you. But I can see everything that you're doing, okay? All right, so let me stop sharing and get over to the chat. And here is the whiteboard. Okay, go ahead and click on that. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds. Then I'll tell you who I can see and who I can't see. Isaac, question? I will put it in the chat once more if you need to. Remember, if you don't have a chat, you go out and come back in. All right, I see Stephanie and Elijah. I see Anthony and Lyric. I see Brandon and Rita. Jada and Israel. I see David and Julissa. I see Jalen and Isaac and Antoine and Rakaya. Awesome. I see everybody. All right, I'm going to give you 4 minutes and then we will discuss this. So I should see everyone attempting to do this. If you're not attempting, that's negative class dojo points. Elijah, you might want to check yours there, dear. Lyric, you have to go left to right. So you should do the 36 minus 5 first. Israel, 36 minus 11 is not 7, dear. Got about 2 minutes. Brandon, good job. Rita, it's real hard to see yours. It's so small. Israel, I don't see you making a change. I told you your 20 or 16 minus 11 is not 7. So yours is wrong because you got that part wrong. One more minute. All right, guys, that's time. Okay. So I want you to come back over to Microsoft Teams, please. All right, so we're a little bit kind of all over the place. So I want to go over this with you, okay? So I'm going to share my screen. So again, you should not be on the whiteboard right now. You should be on Microsoft Teams so you can see my screen. All right, so when I'm doing PEMDAS, what comes first? Always. Parentheses. Okay. Israel, what is 16 minus 11?
5.
5. Thank you. Okay, you did not do that correctly. I told you to fix it, but you didn't. Okay, remember, you rewrite everything you haven't used. So have I used the 36?
No.
No.
No. Have I used the minus?
No.
Have I used the 5?
No.
Have I used the plus?
No.
No. Okay, so I can cross off my P. Okay, do I have exponents?
No.
No. Do I have multiplication or division?
No.
No. Okay. I think I may have said something wrong earlier when I told you this. Sorry, I'm not right in the head today. When I said this arrow, what I meant is you have to go left to right. Okay? I'm sorry. I apologize if I confused you. It's not that addition is always first. If you have both, you go left to right. So in this problem, subtraction is on the left. Okay? So I actually need to do the subtraction first. Okay? So what is 36 minus 5?
31.
31. What have I not used?
The plus and the 5.
The plus and the 5. So what is 31 plus 5? 36. Absolutely. Okay, so my answer here is 36. Everybody with me on that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to clarify something. Let's say I now have this problem. Okay, what do I do first?
You subtract.
You subtract 16 minus 11 because it's parentheses. So what is that?
5.
5. Okay, I rewrite what I have not used. So my parentheses are done. I don't have exponents. I don't have multiplication or division. I do have addition and subtraction. So I go from the left to the right. Okay, so 36 plus 5 is first because it's on the left. So what's 36 plus 5?
41.
41. Okay, and 41 minus 5 is
36.
36. Okay. All right, questions on that?
No.
Okay, so what you need to do, if you are confused and you said, okay, I don't know what you're doing, I need some help, you go back to this video and watch this video. Okay. If you're feeling like you're confident and you can go to the quiz, then you can go ahead and go to the quiz. Okay. So for your quiz today, you have 5 questions. Okay. Let's see. The first the first 2 questions, you just have to use PEMDAS and give me your numerical answer. Okay. Your third question is multiple choice. And so is your fourth. And then your 5th question, you're going to do your problem on your paper, and then you're going to make a video and explain it to me. Okay? Any questions? All right, so let's go ahead and get started on that. I am here if you need help. Okay? Please ask for help, guys. Like, don't just sit there and go, I don't know what's going on. Like, ask for help. I'm here. Okay? David, I need you to fix your mess, dear. Thank you, Isaac. You too. All right, let's get started. Let me know if you need help.